Sound check. Puso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Yay, we managed to. So that's it, guys. That's just the test, and let's wrap around. Sure, bells. Hello, guys. So I'm trying to test this again with the condenser microphone, and yeah, it's working. Um, Sound check. And then we tried and put this magic. It's a button that you click, and I think it's adding to the volume plus the EQ, because the equalizer that comes with it doesn't really work. Sound check. And I've learned a lot of things now. What else? So that's Dodge. I think if you're going to buy this, don't rely on the manual or on what's written. Just press it, test it, because the words really doesn't mean a thing here. For example, it says electro, but it's actually like auto tune slash harmonizer. That's it. It says A sharp major. Hello, hello, A sharp major, A major. Hello, C sharp major. And then long press if you want to turn it off, or you can just keep pressing it up. It will be up to G sharp, and then it will stop. Pitch bend.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Oh, this is very sexy.
Hello.
I think pitch bend is more of transforming your voice into a female or a male, or a deeper voice and a higher pitch voice. So that's your pitch bend. And I said earlier, magic is sort of trying to change the EQ of your microphone. Sound check. Yeah, that's the real sound. When you press MC, it's sort of, it changes the tone of the guitar. Sound check, sound. And then we said earlier about the dodge, where it sort of lower the volume of your background music. Okay, guys, so I've tested the V8 sound card, and there's lots of things. So let's start off by looking at this side of the V8 sound card. Right. Live 1 and live 2 is just when you're feeding this one to your live stream. So you can either have two cameras or two live streams in one go. So it's pretty simple. But to me, I think I would only need one. And you'll be using this cable that comes with it. The two cables are the same actually. this one, same length, same this is the 3.5 going to your phone, and this is going to the B8. But you can use one for your accompaniment and the other one for your live stream, or you can use this both for your live stream, and then if you're not using an accompaniment, especially that it's got built-in songs here as well. The time is song, that cold field is song, and the song choice as well. So there's 3 songs already. Going back, so let's say this one is for our live stream, and we'll put it on live 1. And this part goes to your phone's earphones. Like I'm using my iPad, and it goes there for the headphones or earphones, and that's how you do your live stream. Okay, if it's your phone, then it should have a headset input. So that's for the live stream. Now the accompaniment, which is the third one, this bit. So live 1, live 2, accompaniment. We'll be using this. There you go, you can see it there now. This one can go to your laptop or your phone, or if you got an MP3 player, then it should work as your accompaniment. In my case earlier, I'm using it in my Zoom effects pedal. So I put it using my Zoom, and it says music. That's your volume. It's a bit low, so I turned it all the way up. For the guitar, I haven't tested it with the MP3 player, but yeah, it's got a volume control for your music or accompaniment. Now for your headphones as your monitor, I got confused earlier because it's got 2 options. That one, earphone speaker, headset. So it goes here for the earphone speaker. It means speaker as your monitor. So this one, yeah, goes there, earphones speaker, and it's got the monitor. There you go, monitor knob. So just be gentle, because it can go a bit too loud, especially when you press the soundboard. So just put it halfway or below halfway, and then adjust accordingly for your headset or for your earphones or monitor earphones. Now the next option next to it, which says headset, that one is your earphones that's got a microphone, built-in microphone. It's a 3-ring, the one that comes with your phone. So if you don't have a microphone with you, this will do. This is your mic, then you just plug it in with where it says headset. Okay, then when you're doing live session, you can use this one as your microphone, and the microphone volume as well as the echo works with this. All right, it serves as both monitor and microphone so you might not need an extra headset for that. Hello guys, so I'm using this headset, Soundcheck, sound, and I'll be using this one, the MP3 player, just to test this one. And I'll be also fiddling with the bass, treble, as well as the record knob. So let's do this. Okay, so the treble and bass are 0. So let's put it all the way up. Let's see if there's some. And also I'm using the Dodge feature. Okay. And then last but not the least, I'm going to turn the record knob because it's only on the middle. Let's put it all the way up if it will affect the sound of our recording. Okie dokie. So I think that's just my experiment for now. And I hope when I preview this video, there's something different that happened. So that's it. Now the next bit is your condenser microphone. Now with that, we might not use this anymore, but we will go back to the proper earphones or headphones, this one, to monitor the sound. This is what you call a condenser microphone. And good thing when I bought this, it came with this lid, which is already 3.5 millimeter. Okay, so my condenser microphone is ready for this one. Here we go. And because of the 3.5 goes here, which is a condenser microphone. That's the one there. And then obviously we need to have a monitor here. There you go, monitor. The last bit, this one here, is your dynamic microphone, which is your regular microphone, this one. And you will need a cable like this, which is a TRS, not the other one, not the XLR, because it will go on this mono jack. Okay, so you've got three options when you do live: a regular dynamic microphone, a condenser microphone, or if you don't have that, just use this one, your regular headset. Now let's go with the buttons. This is your power button. You need to do a long press for this one to turn your unit on, because if you just quickly press it, it won't work. Okay, so long press. There we go. Right, as I said earlier, microphone knob, control, volume control, echo knob or control. Then you got the treble and the bass. I couldn't really appreciate it, but probably it's working on the microphone, because I tried with the music and the microphone, just fiddle with it. It seems like I can't distinguish if it's working. Record, I don't know as well. I did fiddle with it if it's going to the live stream, to that one or not, but it's there. And music, it's a bit low, so I put it all the way up. And then the last bit is your monitor. Okay, so this one, it says electro. It's like an auto-tune / harmonizer. So it gives you, if you're singing in the key of C sharp, you can find it there. Long press, I think, to activate. No, a short press. Long press to deactivate, to turn it off. There. Pitch bend, it changes your voice into a deeper voice or a female voice. On the other bit, it's like 3 options. First would be a female voice, and then a deeper voice, like changes your voice to male. And then the last bit is like a high pitch, like minion. Then you got magic. That one is like an EQ or an enhanced button. So your microphone is more enhanced in terms of volume and like the EQ, like the bass. So that's a good feature as well. Then the next one, that shockwave, I tried pressing it and it doesn't work. I don't know what's that purpose of that one. MC, it's like the background music. It changes the EQ of the background music. Seems like it's muffled or compressed, so that it will favor your microphone when you're speaking. And then this one, dodge, is it changes the volume of your, instead of a slider, it automatically lower the volume of the accompaniment. Then while you're talking, then when you stop talking, it just slides up, so the volume goes up. You don't need a slider or manually do it. So that's it, guys. And then just those buttons there.